Hello everyone and welcome to Flint House Garden here in Broadstairs on a rather blustery day. We found a sheltered spot, we think. We're hiding behind the summer house. We've never filmed here before, it's a bit strange I know. But because this piece is an outside piece, an exterior mosaic, we felt the need to shoot this film outside. Anyway, it's the latest in the Heart series. In the past you may recall we've had foxes, squirrels, gold-crested cranes, penguins, swans, you name it. Anyway, this time it's the turn of the peacocks. They themselves form a heart, the negative space between them forms a heart, and they've even got little butterfly hearts on their tail feather eyes. So we've got hearts within hearts within hearts, which expresses their love for each other. And that is also shown in the accompanying verse, which goes like this. During mating season I get really bold. My glorious display is a joy to behold. My tail feather eyes are a gorgeous turquoise blue. But enough about me, what about you?